Noam Chomsky is a towering figure in linguistics. His ideas have shaped how we understand language. In the 1950s, linguistics was dominated by behaviorism. This school of thought saw language as learned behavior. Chomsky challenged this view. He argued that humans have an innate capacity for language. Chomsky's 1957 book, Syntactic Structures, introduced his revolutionary ideas. However, it was his 1965 work, Aspects of the Theory of Syntax, that truly revolutionized the field. This book expanded on his earlier theories and provided a more comprehensive framework for understanding syntax. Chomsky's work shifted the focus of linguistics from mere description to explanation. He argued that we need to understand the underlying mental structures that make language possible. His ideas led to the emergence of generative grammar. This approach focuses on the rules and principles that allow us to generate an infinite number of sentences from a finite set of words. Aspects of the Theory of Syntax presents a complex and nuanced theory of grammar. Chomsky argues that grammar is not just a set of rules for combining words. Instead, it is a system of rules that generate the underlying structure of sentences. Chomsky introduces the concepts of deep structure and surface structure. Deep structure refers to the underlying meaning of a sentence. Surface structure is the actual form the sentence takes. For example, the sentences "the cat chased the mouse" and "the mouse was chased by the cat" have different surface structures. However, they share the same deep structure. They both convey the same basic meaning. Chomsky also proposed the idea of a universal grammar. This is an innate set of principles that underlie all languages. He argued that children are born with this universal grammar. This allows them to learn language quickly and effortlessly. Aspects of the theory of syntax made several key contributions to the field of linguistics. One of the most important is the distinction between competence and performance. Competence refers to a speaker's underlying knowledge of language. Performance is the actual use of language in real-world situations. Chomsky argued that linguists should focus on competence rather than performance. He believed that this would allow us to understand the true nature of language. Another key contribution is the idea of a transformational grammar. This type of grammar uses rules to transform deep structures into surface structures. This allows us to account for the different ways in which the same meaning can be expressed. Chomsky also addressed the issue of language acquisition. He argued that children do not learn language simply through imitation. Instead, they use their innate language faculty to construct their own grammars. Aspects of the Theory of Syntax has a lasting legacy. It has transformed the study of language and continues to influence linguistics today.